Hello everyone, welcome to another live stream on my channel. Um, Happy New Year to everyone. This is the first live stream on my channel this year, and today also I decided to bring the CA guru, like one of the best technical analysts I know in the crypto market. I decided to bring him today because the market has been retracing in the last or let's say the market has been retracing throughout this month, and a lot of people are scared that are we right now in the crypto bear market? Is the bull market over? So if you also have all these questions, if you are also worried about if the bull market is over, you have nothing to be worried about because, like I said, we have the TA guru right now on the live stream. So Joe, thank you for joining the live stream. How are you doing today?
Thanks, man. Thanks for having me. Thanks. I'm doing all right. I'm doing all right, actually. How you doing?
Y- Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I'm excited. It is a new year. And I like like I am very very bullish. For 25. Well, I also personally I am worried about the market because the market has been retracing. That's why I called you. You noticed, Trust, that I've been calling you. Yo, Joe, what's up? What's up? What's up? What do you think about the market? So I also am worried. I know a lot of people watching the video, or a lot of people that will be watching the video later today are also worried about the market. So, um, okay, before I ask my question, in the last 24 hours, more than 5 million has been liquidated in the crypto market. And also, the US government has been given the green lights to sell 69,000 Bitcoin. That's what's over $6 billion. This Bitcoin was the Bitcoin they got from Silk Road. And if you don't know Silk Road is this Bitcoin is the Bitcoin that was act like in 2013, one of the biggest crypto exchange in the world got hacked, and this is the Bitcoin that has been recovered from them. And now the US government have been given the green lights to sell this Bitcoin. A lot of people are worried, like if they start selling this Bitcoin, we might see the market crash a lot. And also, on the 20th of this month, or let's say on next week, Monday, just 7 days from now, Donald Trump will become the next president, or Donald Trump will become the president of the United States of America. It will be inaugurated. And many people are feeling like this event might be a sell the news event. Like this always happen. This always happen. Like when there's always anticipation to a very big event, most people are always skeptical. The market in general does not like uncertainty. Donald Trump will be the president, and when he becomes the president, he's not just going to start passing legislation that fits the crypto market. He's a president, like he's very busy. So a lot of people don't know what to expect when he becomes the president. So people are starting to take profits. People are starting to de-risk from the crypto market. So like I said, people are thinking this will be a sell the news event. So Jay, so what do you think about the crypto market in general? And yeah, what do you think about the crypto market in general based on technical analysis?
Yeah, that's a good question, and good you ask. It's actually I don't mind the whole busy screen now. In a moment, I'll take time to explain exactly what is going on here. Because in general, we've seen a significant growth, like since we last spoke about this. Bitcoin has gone to an all-time high of 108K or thereabout, and that's actually people are still in shock that Bitcoin is getting there, and then the question is like, how far can it go? But then again, in a couple of days, we've seen some slight retracement, and now people are worried. How low is it going to get? How low is it going to get? Is it falling? Is it stopping? Is it going for like a small retracement? All of these questions will answer in a bit. All right. But first, I like to define, reestablish the whole strategy, right? So and with respect to how Bitcoin is acting now, there's nothing that Bitcoin is doing right now that we haven't seen in the past, right? And a lot of TA depends on historical information. And so, for instance, take a look at this chart. I like to look at this chart. It shows quickly the halving cycles, right? So everything that happens before and after the halving, like looking at a 500-day period. So I mean, this will help you put you in perspective, because when we talk about the direction of Bitcoin, we're not looking at, we like to look at it from a bigger perspective, and then it defines your strategy. So over time, you see that like 500 days before halving, Bitcoin gets to Bitcoin's at its lowest, and then there's a lot of ups and downs, and overall 500 days after its halving, you're looking at Bitcoin getting to making an all-time high. And the trend has continued over 2016, 2017, 2020, and right now here, we had like the halving last year in 2024, and right now we are somewhere halfway this 1,000-day period. So if you ask me where Bitcoin is going, right now we're experiencing a small retracement in the price of Bitcoin, which is totally fine. But overall, we're still expecting Bitcoin to get even higher. We're not yet there, because from the last halving to the next to this 1,000-day period, which is going to mark the next high, should be, let's say, roughly around 3 years, and we're only 1 year, less than 1 year into the time frame. So we're still looking at Bitcoin to make serious high movement. Now down to the present, back to the present.
I'm sorry, like you said 3 years. When the 3 years complete this year, right? The 3 years will be complete this year. Like from this chart, the high is supposed to be formed this year, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, so the high is going to complete somewhere around end of this year, right?
Okay,
so
perfect.
Towards the end of this year, that's where we'll be expecting a peak. So and definitely the end of this year is going to be way higher than where Bitcoin is right now, irrespective of any retracement, irrespective of this current highs that we've seen. So back to this, if we're expecting that Bitcoin is going to get high, which is not a statement of analysis, it's an absolute fact, right? That Bitcoin is going to get there. This is what we've seen over and over again. So we're looking at Bitcoin getting higher, but in the time being, Bitcoin is making a simple retracement, right? It's making a simple retracement, and if we look here in time, right now we're looking at a 1 day. We're looking at a 1 day chart. And if we look here, Bitcoin is just coming here to test a small resistance. There has been a resistance here. I tested this area around 90K, 91K, 92K multiple times, and it's still coming back to do that testing. Perhaps we expect Bitcoin to break a little and go to the downside, only to come and bounce back, or we expect Bitcoin to just pump off this place.
Okay, yeah. So is there a possibility for us to break this support level? Because in the last like I think since December last year, like in the last 50 days, Bitcoin has been touching these $90,000 support level. So is there a possibility, like from the chart, is it showing like is there a possibility we break this 90,000 support level and form a new low, or this support level will hold?
So looking at this, there are two patterns that I see.
Yeah.
This support level is a significant one. However, there is still a bigger, a much stronger support when you look at the chart over a longer period. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to put this here so put this in perspective. So if you look here, there is a global support here, right?
Yeah.
There's a global support here, but this is quite unlikely.
Okay.
But right now, in the coming weeks, I would expect Bitcoin to actually follow a wedge of this. I would expect Bitcoin to trade something like this, to trace this line. We might see slight, more retracement. We might see more retracement along this trend line. but overall, Bitcoin is going to, get off of this line and then make even higher highs. That's what I'm
So
expecting.
okay, and if we're following this wedge, how low do you think Bitcoin could go? Like, I'm not saying we're going to break the $90,000, but I'm very bullish on the crypto market this year, but I still always like to hear other perspectives. So, guys, we're investing our money in crypto, so we need to be careful. So, I also like to hear other perspectives. So, like, if we break the $90,000 dollar support level, how low do you think Bitcoin will go
That's a good
this year?
question. I'm
Yeah.
looking at the end of this triangle right here. I'm looking at the end of this triangle. So worst case scenario, we're looking at 85,000 plus or minus 500 dollar in
Okay.
Bitcoin. So that's where I'll be looking at. And if it breaks below this 85K and then closes below it, I'll be expecting Bitcoin to make huge a huge test to bounce off of this major resistance point. But in the coming weeks, at most 85K, and then we're going to the upside. So for me, I think it's still within it's still within my risk appetite as a person, like personally, a 5K, and I'm all in, and it's just a function of how the other cryptocurrencies are going to respond to this slight dip in Bitcoin.
All right. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Jay. Thanks a lot for that. But yeah, I'm very bullish about the crypto markets this year, but my major worry is the fact that a new president or Donald Trump will become the new president of the United States of America in 7 days from now. And a lot of people are thinking this might just be a sell the news event. So, and historically speaking, like events like this are always a sell the news event. And what do you think? What do you think? And is the chat actually showing you that this will be a sell the news event?
Uh, you know, there's one thing. Sometimes there is an interplay. There is a back and forth between fundamentals and technicals, right? So sometimes we see where the chart is going from at a technical level, and then fundamentals give explanations to this thing. So absolutely, with all of the drama around U.S. election, definitely it's explaining this, this retracement that we're having here. So I'm expecting a lot of people, to panic out. I'm expecting a lot of people to sell off, hold out, and then the market. But certainly, as Charles has always, shown, there has been, there has been way more economic, happenings in the past, and yet we see a recurring pattern, a consistent pattern in Bitcoin. So yeah, for this kind of reasons, Bitcoin is going to go probably low and get as low as 85 that we spoke about, right? 85 that we spoke about, 85K, and yeah, after that we expect to see huge gains, because we're still early on this bull market, to be honest.
Okay, so, yeah. True, true. There is one thing you said that there's one thing you said. You said we have experienced a lot of this kind of events in the past, and after those events, the charts still follow the same pattern. Like, can you show the previous screen you showed? Like the charts still follow this pattern. I think you're right about that. I never thought about that before. If you also see in the 2021 bull market, Biden won the election. I think he was sworn in also in January 20, and the charts still follow on the same pattern. In 2017, if I'm not mistaken, also Donald Trump won the election. The charts still followed the same pattern. So maybe history is just repeating itself. Like people always say, history always well, not repeats. History always rhyme, but does not like repeat itself identically. So maybe it's like history always rhymes. So I think you're correct. You're correct. I think you're correct about that. And this has been always happening in the past, and everything still follow the same pattern. So I think, like I said, I think there's nothing to be worried about. We're still in the bull market. Nothing much to be worried about. I will be a little bit careful this month a little because, like Joe said here, in January, markets always tends to like retrace a little, and also like let's see, like Coin Telegram says here, update Bitcoin dumping in January is nothing new in the post halving year, according to analysts. And also, if you notice, January in the post halving year is always the year the US always have a new president. Like the post halving year is yeah, I don't know how to explain. Like the post halving year was 2021. That was when Biden became the new president of the US. In 2018, that was when Donald Trump became the new president of the US. And also, this January also is the post halving year, and the US also is having a new president. So like they said here, Bitcoin always have a little retrace during January of the post halving year. A 130% move similar to that in the peak year of the previous cycle could send Bitcoin price from the current level to over $200,000 before the end of this year. So if history repeats itself, then we should be expecting Bitcoin to get very, very close to around $200,000 this year. And also, as Murad said here, like Murad is super, super bullish on the crypto market because if you notice, the crypto market is always a 4 year cycle, and the most bullish aspect or the most bullish year of the crypto markets is always a year after the Bitcoin halving. And if you notice, the Bitcoin halving was in 2020, or the Bitcoin halving of the last bull market was in 2021, and Bitcoin and the whole crypto market formed a new all-time high in 2021, but the Bitcoin halving was in 2020. And also, the previous bull market, the Bitcoin halving was in 2016, and the crypto markets and Bitcoin in general formed a new all-time high in 2017. So, if it should repeat itself this year, which is a year after the Bitcoin halving, we should expect a lot of altcoin and Bitcoin also to form a new all-time high this year. And from these charts, as Murad said, in 2017 bull markets, Ethereum and altcoins, Ethereum and ICO did very, very well in 2017 bull market. In 2021 bull market, DeFi, gaming, layer ones, NFTs, and Metaverse did very well in the 2021 bull market. So this is the 2025 bull market. And if you notice, every bull market is always higher than the previous bull markets, or the total crypto market cap is always higher than the previous bull market. Like in 2017, the total crypto market cap was around 761 billion. In 2021, it was around 3 trillion. And right now, the crypto market is very, very close to the 2021 all-time high. We are around 3 trillion. And in the last bull market, the total market cap of the whole cryptocurrency was also around 3 trillion. So we might have a little retrace here, like Joe said, throughout this month. And after, we should expect a big pump to the upside. Murad is thinking the crypto markets or the total crypto market might pump to around 10 trillion this year. I do not know if we'll get I do not know if we'll get that close, but at least worst case scenario, we should have the total crypto market should be at least times two the total crypto market of 2021, and that should take us to around 7 trillion. And if that happens, we should expect a lot of meme coins to do well this year, and also a lot of AI projects to do well. And projects like XRP, maybe Cardano, and other projects that are listed on some of the biggest exchange in the world. So in the short run, I am worried a little. Let's say for January, I won't be trading a I won't be trading a lot this month. I will be waiting to see how the market reacts to Donald Trump, or to Donald Trump inauguration next week. And after then, I will start buying a lot of coins and altcoins. Well, after on the 20th of this month. So, Joe, is there anything you want to add to today's?
No, no, no. I'm just curious to see how people, how people maximize, the evolution of Bitcoin as it were right now. Having different kind of traders, different types of traders that look more long term. There are some traders looking more long term, and simply the fact that Bitcoin is retracing is giving them, and I mean equipped with the thoughts that Bitcoin is going way higher, and now Bitcoin is doing a retracement is already a motivation, a trigger for them to get into the market and hold long term. And then some other traders who trade more around altcoins, meme coins and stuff that will chill a bit for them to see when Bitcoin bounces back, and then they're riding some other meme coins and altcoins that are going. But I mean, to be interesting to see what projects in the end really gets a huge part of the total market cap of Bitcoin in this bull run.
Right, yeah, that's true. So, yeah, that's it. Joe, thanks for joining the live stream.
Sure.
Today's my first live stream of this year, and I just wanted to like see the general market from your perspective.
Absolutely. It was
Yeah.
it's nice. It was nice being here. Thank you.
All right, great. Thank you, Joe, for joining the live. Thank you, everyone, for watching the live stream. I'm surprised people actually came to the live, because it is the first live. In the long run, I think in the last 30 days. Guys, thank you, everyone, for watching the live stream, and I will see you guys definitely tomorrow. And maybe tomorrow I will be talking about some altcoins that, yeah, I am buying. And for now, I am focused on XRP chain. No, not XRP. I'm focused on Solana chain. But I have been noticing that a lot of people are trying to push XRP chain. People like people like Solace are trying to push XRP chain. A lot of influencers have been talking about XRP chain. So it is a chain I will start monitoring in the next few days. I am bullish on Solana, but there is a lot of scam right now on Solana, and a lot of people are trading. I'm constantly on Solana. I'm focused mostly on Solana, but I am monitoring XRP chain, because very soon I think some meme coins on XRP will start doing well. People are trying to migrate to XRP, so I am buying some few meme coins on XRP. I have some Phonex. I bought some Reboot today. Might be a scam. I don't know. I just bought some little today. iRix. I don't want to talk anything. I do not want to talk anything about meme coins on XRP. I bought some scrap. So these are the three meme coins I am holding right now on XRP chain. I do not know if this chain is going to do well, but I am monitoring. Like, I have been noticing that a lot of people have been talking about XRP chain, and the last time all these influencers start talking about a chain, that was Tron chain, and a lot of meme coins on Tron chain did very well. So I am monitoring that, and like I said, I am still focusing on um, Solana's chain, but I am just waiting a little for the market to retrace. Lot of AI coins have done well in on Solana's chain in the last few days. So I am waiting for the market to retrace a little, and if that happens, then I will start buying. I will start buying back to I will start buying back to my altcoins on Solana's chain. So yeah, guys, thank you everyone for joining the live stream. Like I said, I will see you guys tomorrow, and have a lovely, lovely Monday. Have a lovely Monday. I can't say Monday nights because some people are from a different country. So bye guys.
Bye.